You ever notice when you open your CRM that you have to click 5 or 6 times before you can do anything? With Ask AI, that is over. HighLevel just rolled out their Ask AI, and it basically means that you can now talk to your HighLevel system to do things for you that used to take a lot of manual processes. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the cool things that it can do that will save you a lot of time. And I'll start by saying that right now it's at the agency level. Very soon it's rolling out to sub accounts. So maybe by the time you're watching this, it's already in all of your accounts. So Ask AI is your AI assistant within your CRM. It's not your chat bot. It's not the AI that books appointments for you. It's a separate AI that can do all kinds of actions within your account. This is the way that AI is moving now. It's moving away from what it used to be of just asking it things like on ChatGPT to now it's things that you can actually accomplish. You need to create a contact, you need to schedule an appointment, you need to summarize information. You can do that now with AI where it can actually touch your tools, and you can do it by just talking to it. You don't need any technical knowledge. And you can see here that it shows you a bunch of stuff right out of the gate. So it shows you that you can draft a social media post for your campaign. You can summarize a contact. You can generate a funnel. You can write an email. You can set a new email campaign for your business. You can book appointments. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can literally give it 10 different lead names with phone numbers and emails and have it upload all at once. So we're going to test it in real time right here so you can see, what it does. Okay, so I'm looking at the CRM here. You're going to see an item called Ask AI. And right here, you can basically ask it to do anything within your account. You can see here that you can use the voice feature, but I'm going to use Whisper, and I'm going to say, create me a contact name Shawnee Test, and the phone number is going to be 702-555-5555. Email sean@gmail.com, and then book an appointment with him for Saturday at 9 a.m. Mountain Time on my initial consultation calendar. So I'm going to let go of my Whisper app, let it put everything in here. We're going to be Shawnee Test, and I'm going to hit send, and we're going to watch in real time as it builds this here. And you can actually see everything that's doing over here. So it's really cool. It's going to basically show you the way that it's thinking, and it's going to start kicking things off. All right, so it created the contact, or at least it's showing me the contact and it's confirming. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to create contact, and then it's going to book on my calendar. And actually the calendar is not exactly named initial consultation, so we'll see if it actually does it. There we go, contact created. Okay, so it found the initial consultation calendar, it found the time, and I'm gonna click yes, book it. That all took probably less than a minute, and a lot faster than manually creating and manually booking an appointment, especially if you're busy. Maybe you're on a sales call or something like that, and you just wanna quickly chat here. And again, you can do this with multiple contacts. So there we go, we got an appointment booked, we got a contact created. How cool is that? Where you literally just talk to it and it does things within your CRM. Now, the way I have this account built is it's automatically going to move it to a certain opportunity stage. However, if I wanted it in a different opportunity stage, I could say something like this. Add this contact to my following up opportunity stage. Also create a task for me to send them the deal information in 3 days from now assigned to me. Now I decided to add the task to send the information to me. I don't know if it can actually do that, but we're gonna test if it can do that right now. So you can see it here working, which is really cool. Now there's other things you can do too. You can have it create payments and invoices. You can have it pull data for you. You can have it summarize your appointments. You can, anything that you can think of within the account, pretty much it can do for you now. So it's actually, it's really cool as far as data and analytics too. So in a minute, we'll test something regarding analytics and see how it does. Okay, awesome. So you can see here, create opportunity. Yes, create opportunity. Send deal information. It's going to create a task for me. There we go. I wasn't sure if it could do that actually. It's going to set a due date for June 1st to send deal information assigned to me and create task. So how awesome is that? So now if I come over to contacts, and these are all dummy contacts in the account, you can see my Shawnee Test, and you can see here, boom, I've got an appointment scheduled showing on my calendar. I'm gonna come over here to tasks. My task is in here, and this contact is sitting in my following up pipeline stage. So massively valuable. This is gonna save a lot of time managing your CRM and really just scratching the surface. So I'm gonna go back over to Ask AI again, and this time I'm gonna say, give me a list of all of my new leads in the last 60 days. So hopefully by this point, you guys are starting to see the kinds of things that you could ask it. Maybe you want to see certain leads that have a certain tag. Maybe you want to see certain leads that are in a certain pipeline stage. This is going to give you a massive ability to organize your contacts, to be able to consolidate things, to add them in bulk to automations and all of that. So really, sky's the limit here. Massive feature. All right, so I had to open up the date range a little bit because I had added these dummy contacts in a while ago. I did last 6 months, but look at all the leads in the last 6 months, phone numbers. It even shows the current stage of where they're at in the pipeline stage. So how cool is that? All right, I'm gonna try one more thing. I'm gonna try to email my new lead that came in, Shawnee test, and see if it can generate an image and email Sean. So let's try this out. Again, I have not tested this particular action yet. Make a funny image, letting Shawnee test know that I'm excited for my appointment with them, and send it to him as an email reminder with the image attached. So we're gonna go ahead and load that in and see how it does. So we can see here again, it's summarizing what the user wants to do, and it's starting to prep this out. Look at even, and this is something cool to note. See how it says no brand board found? It will generate emails based on your own personalized branding. So if you have colors, logos, things like that, certain text types, and you don't have a brand board, literally tell Ask AI, build me a brand board. It can build you a brand board so that all future emails, or if it builds you anything else, will be branded to you. So really nice feature there as well. All right, so I paused for probably 40 seconds and it creates me this image, and check this out. It has the email queued up, the subject line, the whole body here with the image attached. I'm gonna hit send it. Of course, if you didn't like that, right, this is a little bit silly. If you didn't like that, you can just have it modify the text, of course, and have it adjust it however you want. So this should be firing right away. And here in a sec, I'm gonna go over and take a look at what that looked like actually sending it. It says it sent successfully. I'm gonna go back to the contact. Whoops, go back in here and check this out. And again, this is a dummy account, so the email is not set up, but look, sent the image, sent the email. I think you guys are gonna get a lot of good use out of this. I'm super excited to use it. And there's so much more that you're gonna be able to do with this than I showed here. Let your kind of wheels turn about how you could apply this use case to your business. You're gonna be able to come in here, do quick things within your CRM without all the manual actions. A lot of good creative work too. You know, some of you might not like drafting emails or customizing things or coming up with images. You might have to go to ChatGPT to generate an image and then paste it in here. This will do it all for you. And look, that's a cool image. And you could actually have it put its name in there. Hey, Sean, I'm looking forward to our appointment time. That's what's really cool about these customizations. Now, one other use case that I mentioned, but I'm not going to show in this demo, is that if you have your social media accounts, these have to be public accounts. They can't be private. But if you have your social media accounts connected under marketing, you can have this create posts for your social media pages right here within Ask AI as well. It's gonna say, hey, generate an image and a post for this, and I want it to go out on my Instagram next Thursday. You can do it all here within Ask AI. So hopefully you guys find a lot of value with that. Pretty soon, this is also coming to the mobile app, the lead connector app. So you're gonna be able to chat with Ask AI there as well. So I'm super excited about this. I think you will be too. Let me know in the comments if there's any special use cases that you see with this, or if there's anything that you look forward to testing it out for your own business. If you're getting value from these videos, like and subscribe because there's a lot more coming. See you on the next one.